Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Kyle again today, and today Kyle is autistic and we're going to show you one of his obscure vacuums.
I don't know what kind of vacuum that is.
He doesn't know what type of vacuum
and
it is.
I think, who's got one like that?
He wants to know if anybody knows the make of it.
And who's
There's
got
no
one?
brand on it. All there has on it is it says it's a classic and it's made in England.
No, and who's got one like that?
Who's got one like that? I don't know. I don't think anybody's got one like that one.
No!
But we found that one. We got given that one when we was on my vacuum hunt.
No!
Yeah. And here it is.
Let's see how good the suction is. Numatic wheel. It's all gone?
Here now. Well, as you can see,
It's gone now.
he's done a very quick job with it. But there it is.
It's gone.
This machine, I retrofitted a Numatic bag because the little cough bag that was in it was ripped to shreds.
Numatic wheel, new like Henry's.
Yeah, he likes Henry's. And
Numatic wheel's got one like this.
so this machine basically has got HEPA filtration on it.
It's seldom have a filtration.
Not really, because it's very awkward to get back in.
Why? We don't want to sell them.
Oh, go on then.
I unplugged it.
Right, here,
Ow, it's pinched me. Help me.
hold the camera then. Oh no.
Now, how hard it is. That's the other inside. Bathroom chamber. Look at that Numatic bus. There's a Numatic bag. Numatic wheel. That's a Numatic bag.
Yeah, we got a pneumatic bag in there.
And I think Numatic wheel's gonna make this video.
And there's inside the cleaner.
I think Numatic wheel's gonna make this video.
I don't really want to take it apart because I think it's a little bit too old and battered. But it was ideal because it was a free one. The best videos are always the free ones. And what you're going to say now?
I've polished them up.
Bye all now.
Subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's actually show you my phone. Here we go. Vacuum Mad 8. Go and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's actually a very good YouTube channel. He has a
Bye for now.
Bye all now.